Hi there. I'm a big fan of Casey Neistat, but also I'm a YouTuber. And Casey said that it's not about the equipment. But that's not why I brought Casey into this video. Basically, I used this camera to make YouTube videos when I was like 6 years old.
Actually, need challenge.
The thing is that I did my last exam 3 days ago, and now I don't have school anymore, which means I now have time to become a full-time filmmaker. But I don't have much time. Look at this. Right now it's 3rd of June, and right here we are going to Malta. So I have about a week to make YouTube videos. And my videos have always been these high quality videos which take like sometimes months to make. I need to take care of these basil plants and water them regularly so they won't die out, so they can grow. I think this might be also true with YouTube. And now, as I don't have school anymore, I'm going to make daily videos for 7 days in a row. And it's going to be really hard for me, because I'm a perfectionist, so it's really out of my comfort zone. I always underestimate the time it takes to get things done. So even if I'm able to film this vlog, will I be able to edit and post it? Make it thumbnail for it? And that's going to be hard. Do you even care about me making food? I cook my chicken on medium heat under the lid 4 minutes each side. This way it always comes out perfect. While the food is cooking, I'm going to use the time to vacuum clean the floors. That's some hardcore multitasking right over here. The rice is ready, chicken is ready in 2 minutes, and I haven't even started cleaning the floors. This is a great example of how I overestimate the time it takes to create videos. Also, these guys want some food. I feel like I'm so overloaded with tasks. But you know, it's just a 1 video a day. It can't be that hard. I know this meal ain't perfect, but I need to eat something quick because I'm running out of time. Yo, what's up? Alright, come here then.
Yo guys, we're gonna get them big ass muscles, you know? The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. Peace.
No, I don't like no holidays. Just go and suss it out.
So we are going to Enrico's place to get some boxing gear so we can train box. For my videos, I think what matters the most is my personality and storytelling. Did you get your boxing gear?
Yeah, all of this is in the other bag.
Don't think twice, I'm here for a moment. No, I like him better.
So what I feel like is that in situations where I'm doing something with other people, this vlogging isn't really helping to bond. Enrica is already right over there, and I'm over here trying to get clips of me coming down the stairs. I like to train in the beach because after that we can come swimming. And swimming is a really great training as well right now. The water is cold, which means that it's a mental battle after the physical battle. Water is pretty cold, but you know, I know that if I'm long enough in the water, it will get warm. My tactic is to just ignore the coldness and think about other things, and usually talking is the most effective for me. Whew, it's already getting warm. I just love it. You know, once you get used to the cold water, it just feels so calming.
I mean, you could just watch TikTok too if you're...
This guy literally just comes to nature and watches TikTok.
Mom said play outside.
I think I'm going to make a train swimming now and talk to you later.
Here you can see Michael in his natural habitat. He usually is in the cold water.
One eternity later.
After being in cold water for almost 10 minutes, I really love to be in a medium hot sauna. It's just like being in a warm room. But you know, it's not as hot as sauna normally would be, because sauna is just not ready yet. Look at these lights. They are so beautiful. I just want to clarify that the purpose of this video is not to copy Casey Neistat. Actually, if I were to make daily videos, it would improve two really important skills: storytelling and being in front of the camera, which otherwise I wouldn't be doing as much.